One morning, you wake up and you're done pretending, done hiding behind excuses, done waiting for someone else to save you. You look around, and for the first time, you see it clearly: the cage you've been living in was never locked, you just never tried to open the door. That quiet little voice in your head, the one whispering, "You're meant for more." That voice is right, but every day you don't listen, it grows quieter until one day you can't even hear it anymore. Is that how you want your story to end? A life unlived? A dream abandoned? No, not you, not now. This is your moment, right here, right now. You get to decide, you get to say enough, you get to say no more running, no more hiding. From this moment on, you rise, and when you rise, the world will never forget. You've been told the enemy is out there, the competition, the critics, the system. But that's not the real fight. The real fight is in here. It's the fear in your chest every time you step out of line, the doubt whispering that you're not enough, the voice that tells you to stay quiet, stay small, stay invisible. That voice is a liar, and every time you listen, you give it power. But you weren't born to stay small. You weren't meant to be invisible. You were built for the storm. The fear will never go away completely, and that's okay, because fear is a map. It points you to the very thing you were meant to conquer. So stop fighting yourself. Stop hiding from your own strength. You don't need permission. You don't need anyone to tell you it's okay. You just need to choose right now to fight for yourself. This isn't just about you, don't you see? You carry the hopes of everyone who came before you, those who never had the chance to rise. Every scar you bear, every step you take, you do it for them too. You're proof it's possible. We are all part of something bigger, the people you inspire just by refusing to quit, the lives you touch just by choosing to stand. And one day, someone will look at you and think, if they can do it, so can I. That's how change begins. Not in governments, not in boardrooms, but in hearts, one heart at a time, starting with yours. You were born into a story that wasn't written for you. But here's the truth they don't tell you. You can write a new one every day, with every choice, every rise, every fall, every comeback. What you're looking for isn't out there, it's already inside you. Every scar you hide, fuel every failure you've endured, a teacher every fear you faced, proof you're still here, still fighting. You've been waiting to feel ready, to feel strong enough. But here's the secret: you'll never feel ready. And that's okay. You don't have to feel ready to take the first step. You just have to take it. Strength doesn't come before you start, it comes because you start. So stop waiting. Stop looking for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. There is only now. And every second you wait, you're letting your dream die a little more. Stand up, take one step, just one, and then another and another. That's how mountains are moved. That's how lives are rebuilt. That's how you rise. Here's what you do next. No excuses, no delays. Grab a pen, write down your dream, the real one, the one you've been too afraid to say out loud. And then say it out loud, even if your voice shakes. Then take one step, just one. Send the email, sign the paper, make the call, take the walk. Start, don't worry about how it looks, don't worry about what they'll say, just move. And when fear comes back, and it will smile at it, thank it, and keep going anyway. That's how you win. And when you fall, and you will get back up. Every time you stand back up, you get stronger. Every time you refuse to quit, you become unstoppable. And one day you will look back and realize you were already everything you were waiting to become. Now close your eyes. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, 5 years from now, standing tall, unstoppable, no mask, no fear, just you, relentless, alive, unshakable. That person. That's not someone else, that's not a fantasy, that's you, the real you, waiting to be claimed. You just have to choose to rise, choose to fight, choose to live your life so boldly that one day someone else will say, because of you, I didn't give up. This is your moment, right here, right now. The world is waiting to see what happens when you finally become you.